In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam screenshots. If you've ever accidentally taken screenshots while gaming on Steam, this quick setting change can help you avoid that. Steam usually assigns a screenshot hotkey by default, and if that key overlaps with something you already use in-game, it can become distracting pretty fast. The good news is that turning it off is simple, and Steam saves the change automatically. To get started, open Steam and look to the top left corner of the app. Click on Steam, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the main settings window, where you can manage a variety of Steam features. Once you're in Settings, look at the menu on the left side and select In-Game. This section controls options related to the Steam overlay and other features that appear while you're playing. The screenshot setting we want is located here. Now find the area labeled Screenshot Shortcut Keys. This is the setting that tells Steam which keyboard key will trigger a screenshot while you're in a game. To disable screenshots, click inside the shortcut box and clear the existing hotkey. In many Steam versions, you can do this by pressing backspace. In some cases, ES key may work instead. Depending on your version of Steam, you may also be able to leave it set to none, which has the same effect. If Steam doesn't let you completely clear the key, another simple workaround is to assign a key you never use. That way, accidental screenshots are much less likely to happen during gameplay. The goal here is just to make sure your normal gaming keys no longer trigger Steam's screenshot function. After that, you're done. Just close the settings window. Steam saves your changes automatically, so there's no need to click an extra save button or confirm anything before exiting. If you want to make sure it worked, you can launch a game and press the key that used to take screenshots. If nothing happens, then the shortcut has been successfully disabled. That's all it takes to disable Steam screenshots. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your gameplay feel a lot smoother, especially if you've been triggering screenshots by mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.